As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1200 and the Weber Q2800N plus grills, huh? Both look pretty sweet.
Yeah, both Weber Q series, but definitely some key differences. The Q1200 is smaller, right? Like 189 square inches of cooking space.
Good for a couple of people or a small balcony. Exactly, while the Q2800N Plus boasts a larger grilling surface.
It can handle like 12 burgers and 2 racks of ribs. Definitely a family-sized upgrade then. But what about portability? The Q1200 is only 30 pounds, so it's pretty easy to move around.
True, but the Q2800N Plus isn't exactly a beast either, at 51.2 pounds.
It's still compact enough for a porch, according to the description. Good point. Let's talk heat. The Q1200 has one burner pushing out 8,500 BTU.
Which is decent for its size. But the Q2800N Plus has a wider temp range from 250 degrees to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and a plus burner that you can use for searing, baking, or slow roasting.
That sounds way more versatile, definitely, and it can connect to the Weber Connect Wi-Fi hub.
You can monitor your grill remotely. Fancy! The Q1200 is more straightforward.
Electronic ignition, easy to use. Price-wise, the Q1200 is around $259, while the Q2800N Plus is at $399.
So a significant jump. Right. You're paying for that extra space, heat control, and smart features.
And also the griddle insert, which is nice. I guess it comes down to what you need. If you want something simple, portable, and affordable for occasional grilling, the Q1200 is great.
Yeah, like a good tailgate grill. But if you're serious about grilling, need more space, and want more control over the temperature, the Q2800N Plus seems like a better investment. And you can cook larger foods like whole chickens and roasts.
Plus, you can add that griddle. Agreed. Seems like Weber has a grill for every kind of griller, and you get to choose your favorite color.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.